Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and this was a requested video by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested fall nails, and by the way, I did mess up because I didn't read the part where she said short fall nails. I did recreate some long to medium length fall nails, so I do apologize for that, but you could recreate it in whatever shape and form that you desire. These nails are very beautiful and easy to achieve. They do look difficult, but in reality you guys will see how simple and easy it is to recreate these beautiful fall nails. So here I am just pushing back the cuticles, and then I will trim down the nails, buff out my full cover nail tips, and we'll begin the tutorial. And by the way guys, I will have everything linked down below for you guys down in the description. And thank you once again for all the love and support that I received from each and every one of you guys. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me. Love you all very much. Remember that buffing out the nails is a very essential step just because it gives it more of a plush natural look when applying onto the nail plate. So here I'm just applying my mixed glitter onto the entire nail. I just used a damp brush. I applied some of my acetone on it, and then I just started grabbing the glitter and just applying it onto the nail. And by the way, as an adhesive for the glitter, I did use a top coat. The reason why I didn't use a base coat is because I noticed sometimes when I use base coat, it does create little bubbles, so I just decided to use a top coat instead. To apply the nail on, I am just placing some base coat, applying the nail to my liking, and then just curing it under the UV lamp anywhere between 30 through 60 seconds. So here I am just removing the shine with a regular nail file and then going in with a buffer just to buff it out. And I did shape it to my liking. I didn't record that part, but yeah, this is what I'm doing here since I will only be actually placing gel polish on two of the nails. So here is the process, and by the way, this is the gel polishes. I will have them linked down below. And here I am just applying my first coat of polish, and then I cure in the UV lamp for 30 through 60 seconds, and then I go in with a second coat, and that is all. And remember, you don't have to paint your nails perfectly. If you make any mistakes before curing the gel polish, just grab a brush with some acetone or nail polish remover and clean around the cuticle area, or if you're using regular nail polish, just repeat the same process as well. So here I'm going in again, applying my top coat, and then I'm adhering the glitters and butterflies to my liking. So here is the process. So here I just begin to apply the rhinestones to my liking. You know, I think nails is about being creative and just having fun with it, and whatever looks best for you and whatever feels right and that you end up loving, that is all that matters. So here I am just enjoying the process and having fun while creating my nail design. So here I'm just going in with some more top coat to adhere my rhinestones to my liking. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. I do try my best to create simple, easy, and fast nail tutorials for you guys because I know nails aren't always the easiest thing to recreate. So along the way I have found some great methods on YouTube or just doing my research, and also along my journey I found methods that I have shared and will continue to share with you guys that I hope really do help. So now I am finally applying top coat to all the nails, and then I will be going in with the cuticle oil, and that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.